Today project is a dancing light using a 555 timer IC. To build this project we will use some components also show on screen. It's a circuit diagram. Now start the video. Put the 555 timer IC on the breadboard and also show pin configuration in the video. To connect resistor to the positive terminal of the battery. Also connect second resistor to the first resistor. Look at the video. To connect a capacitor positive terminal to the resistor and negative terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. Connect the diode between IC pin number 6 and 7. To connect resistor to the positive terminal of the battery. To connect an LED positive terminal to the resistor. To connect second resistor to the negative terminal of an LED. To connect second and LED positive terminal to the resistance and connect the LED negative terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. To connect a capacitor between IC pin number 5. To connect a jumper wire from pin 1 of the IC to the negative terminal of the battery. And 0.01 microfarad capacitor also connect to the negative terminal of the battery. To connect a jumper wire from pin 2 of the IC to the pin 6 of the IC. To connect a jumper wire from pin 6 of the IC to the junctions between the resistor and the capacitor. To connect a jumper wire from pin number 8 of the IC to the positive terminal of the battery. Also connect a jumper wire from pin 4 of the IC to the positive terminal of the battery. To connect a jumper wire from pin 3 of the IC to the negative terminal of the first LED. To connect a jumper wire from pin 7 of the IC to the junctions between the resistor. And connect the battery. Now project is ready. Look at the video.